That's a part for your time. A former club, the FA Cup last Sunday said the Amokojo Tamalino. What about describing the season?
Oh yeah, so season there as big team like Kotoko. Sorry, we there Michel motive for him. Sorry, Kumasi Maina. So I wouldn't say big team there. League shots and I say beko enda. Omo expect a lot. At least say konku crowd there. The moon some magic cup. Nentre next season baby amobe kako. This year no magic your friend is saying FA Cup. Next year no. Ombetimi have fight for Champions League sport. What ASANTE a very good A.
Amoko Africa, South Africa no bad. Dia no munye na ma succeed.
Africa no there a long time. Kotoko akwa try especially Ghanaian team made them make Kotoko accept. Kotoko try so won't win through money zone. And this is the best time. He really time wo ho to ombetimi a try say omo hihye one of two things. Because Kotoko no one of two things. Yet we hihye ni ya no we are good to go.
Ohun abro ohun samba or the heart of defense center backs no solid performance. They are expecting this season.
Keep up the performance, because when we say yes, I know say supporters and start to say oh yeah there now money fault mo na akoye bibia or and Kotoko nso team bia ubo this season ubo ni ya next season we say we increase because we share this time now it's open to everybody, even we a local player and it me for national team. So what are you waiting for? So I was so much try my best no more keep it high the level no next season.
You started into some time no dia ni yenye nenko faba park.
Oh say mrebia na emunsem what I say enti say no I say love neighbor kakrakra but na make say Kotoko ankasa particular no omo a lot to do. Yeah, a lot. Build the supporters and the Kumasi as a city no a lot to do, so we have to come together and do it, and we raise the Kumasi flag high.
Oh, expecting mass transfer and a big rana.
Oh, there be say team there normal. Even Remadu say biko, it been sober. And say it's up to the coaches. When your management I say it's up to the coaches. Coach ni nim players a ombe boa next season. Ntimunja no na onye edwuma no because utimi ja coach na release na etimi mani flow. Ntimunja no na ontimi flow na yenhwe next season no. Ye be ye nya de we chiri ba ma involve too much. Me so me da say